somebody bigger than him. So I brought Winston in with these two because he was a little bit sad on his own. I could tell he wanted to play. I was going to put him in with these two, but they've still got runny poops from transport and all changes and everything. So didn't need another dog playing and potentially covered in it. He's so confident, little Ice. And he's going to be huge. Look at his feet. He's only 3 months of age. Mojo's 5. He's going to be 100, 120 pounds probably. And I'm guessing you see what I see. So Winston's only a year, or literally just over a year, so. But it's good because little Ice can be a bit of a, if you see him being all dominant, it'd be good to have a bigger dog to keep him in check every now and again. I mean, he's a puppy, he's learning, they're all learning development and everything. So this is fun, isn't it? Hey, is this fun, little Mojo? Can you not jump on me because your feet are wet? Right, get down. So are you? So, any dogs you see in the videos or on the website or on the Facebook rescue page, make sure you go to the website and check to see if the dog's still available, because the website is what's constantly updated. Well, it's updated all the time. So, www.giveadogahome-rescue.org. And then if you're interested, be sure you're familiar with the breed or the breed mix or what you think. Be sure you've got the lifestyle, because if you've not got the lifestyle, you're not getting the dog. From me anyway. It's very important. These dogs have been saved from near-death experience. Some of them pretty much certain death, others potential. In the kill shelter in the south, there's the overpopulation with people not adopting, people dumping, people not committing to a lifetime of the dog. Has increased a millionfold. So it's important you understand. And pretty much every dog I get is a high energy dog, very intelligent. I mean, all right, Pyrenees are not high energy. I didn't know he was a Pyrenees. I still grabbed him though. But they still need an active life, you know, just because the breed in general is not an active dog. They need an active, healthy lifestyle. Little dogs I generally get terrier type dogs. Again, intelligent, high energy. Terriers are hunting dogs. Dachshunds are hunting dogs. They're not little, sit on the end of the sofa and look pretty type dogs. Although they do that very well as well. But research the breed and make sure you've got the life now and the foreseeable future for the next 10, 12 years. If you're looking at a big dog and you're older, are you going to be able to lift that dog up in 4 or 5 years when the hips go, or it gets DM, or gets injured? There's all these things you need to take into consideration. And if you can tick all the boxes, well, hey, get your bloody applications in is what we say, isn't it? Let's get these dogs in home so we can save more. So we've got little Mojo, we've got Winston, the Red Shepherd, and then we've got Ice, the Pyrenees. All boys. And then there, we've got Disco, who's the Shepherd mix, and Thule, the smaller one, who's also a Shepherd mix. Got more of a blockhead. Maybe a bit of rotty in her, who knows. But, so Thule's the only girl on this side. We run out of space.